Key error is another error that's derived from the lookup error. And here in the example, what we have is a dictionary D that has just one key value pair. The key is animal, value is cat. Now, when we try to print D square bracket animals with a S, it's going to throw an error because there's no key with animals. There is only animal without an S. So a typo such as this can you can come across such a typo while writing the code, and if it does, then it'll throw an error. If you instead of animals, if you type some other key that does not exist in the dictionary D, that will throw the key error as we see. Key error animals. It's not able to find the key animals inside of the dictionary D.